Hi, I'm Josh Hooley here with Forest River Salem Hemisphere, and today we're going to be checking out the 286 RL. This is our smallest fifth wheel in the Hemisphere lineup because it's 33 feet 11 inches, so under 34 feet overall and 9,900 pounds. Now it still has 3 slide outs, so let's start taking a look at the layout here. In the first slide out, you'll notice an entertainment center here that actually has a 50-inch TV, a nice Furrion sound bar, and a mirrored fireplace that does put off heat with the electric to help save propane on chilly mornings. And then in this slide out with the entertainment center, you do get a standard freestanding dinette with 4 chairs and the extension on it. And then 2 large windows that both open in this slide out to help give you that cross ventilation. Moving into the back here of the unit, you'll notice that we have 2 recliners here that store against the wall when the slides come in, and then 3 more windows, all that open. So you'll notice that all these windows have actually been blocked with blackout shades. These shades are actually on rollers with a white background that's going to help you with thermal temperatures coming in from the sun or cold on a chilly day. So keeping those down is going to help a little bit with insulating this unit. The tri-fold sofa here in slide out number 2 actually folds out into a large size bed. This isn't just a jackknife, so if you really do have some extra people to sleep, this unit's going to have the room for that. Going along the slide out here, you'll notice our new for 2023 16 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. So this unit runs off of the 12 volt system solely, so you don't need to have an inverter, and it will work well if you do opt for the 200 watt solar package option that we have on all Salem Hemispheres. Next to that, you do have the nice pantry here that is relatively deep with a motion sensor light in there, and then a nice big island here with a deep mount single bowl sink, so you actually have enough room to do dishes in here with a pull-out sprayer. And then up here you'll notice the kitchenette of this unit. This has got a microwave, a range, and a nice oven with the flush mounted cooktop to add to more countertop space in this unit. And another feature that I really like about Salem Hemisphere is actually that we have soft close cabinet doors in all of our fifth wheels. Moving towards the front of the unit here, you'll notice that we actually do have windows in the entrance doors now in 2023 with floating steps coming up to the entrance here. And then you'll notice in our bathroom, we actually have a porcelain toilet with a large shower with a seat in it. Again, keep in mind, these are all features that you're getting in a 34-foot long fifth wheel. Moving into the best part of this unit probably is that you get 6.5-foot ceilings in these upper decks with a king bed slide out with walker around space on both sides, and this wardrobe that, as you'll notice, is actually big enough for a semi-grown man to stand in. And then if you come check out the wardrobe here, you'll actually notice we have washer-dryer hookups here with room for stackable washer-dryer, and we have a nice big shoe cabinet area inside the wardrobe. So that wraps up the interior of the 286 RL. Let's go check out the features we put on the outside. All right, outside the Salem Hemisphere 286 RL, we're going to start at the front of this unit, and you'll notice that it has a 2-tone painted front cap. Being painted, it's not going to chalk or fade like a dyed cap would. You notice the height of it here is what gives it that stackable washer dryer prep space inside. Now moving along the side of the unit here, you notice that we do have a nice size awning here that is power that covers your campsite space in front of the slide out. We also do a TV mount here with hookups, and we also do a pass-through storage here. Again, keep in mind this is pass-through storage for a 34-foot fifth wheel. And then here you'll have the entrance door that is 30 inches wide with the motorized step above steps here with an extra large grab handle for elderly people or children who maybe need a little help getting inside. Moving toward the back of the unit here, an optional feature that this 286 RL does have is hidden by the slide out, but it is the 4-point auto level. Any Salem Hemisphere that's under the 40-foot range will get 4-point auto level. Anything over 40 feet, we will put 6-point auto level on. At the back of the unit here, you'll notice the roof access access ladder here. Below the bumper, you actually have a 2-inch receiver here. This is for storage racks for either bicycles or cargo racks that you want to put on there to haul some extra gear with you. So thank you for checking out the Forest River Salem Hemisphere 286 RL. If you'd like more information, you can go to forestriverinc.com/Salem.